Hey folks, huge news today from the land of NativeScript. Version 7 is officially out now. Now this is not going to be a tutorial video, but in the weeks and months to come, I'll be diving deeper into the new features of NativeScript 7, so we're going to break it down here. But for now, in this overview video, I just want to go over the big ticket items that the latest framework has under the hood, and to give a huge congrats to the incredible effort by the team at NStudio who pushed really hard to get this huge release out. Igor Rangelovic from NativeScript View, Nathaniel Anderson, Osei Fortune, and Nathan Walker. Way to go, guys. Now there's also been a significant community contribution to this release as well, some of which was key to getting this out. Martin Guillon, I'm gonna ask my wife how to pronounce this. Martin Guillon. He's French. My wife speaks French. I don't speak French. So she knows how to do this. I hope she's right. So Martin was responsible for the new native class decorator. More on that in a minute. He was also pretty instrumental in the leap into the future of JavaScript by helping with support for ES 2017 and newer. Now I subscribe to the NativeScript updates from the issues that come through, and I see this name a lot, Dimitris RK. He's been up and down the NativeScript repo with his contributions as well. Tons of updates from him, including segmented bar fixes on Android, unit test fixes, root frame navigation, and a bunch of other stuff. And also Shiva Prasad, who you've seen here many times on this channel. He's also a regular contributing poster on nativescripting.com with some articles there. He added a new charting library that allows you to create beautifully rendered dynamic charts in your NativeScript apps. Maybe we can convince him to come back and show off how those work. Comment down below if you want to see those. And a bunch of other folks from the community that made contributions. Not all contributions have to be huge, but they're all important, so thanks to you all. Now let's go over some of the biggest changes in this version. First and foremost, it's a new monorepo structure. So contributing is now easy thanks to this monorepo based on NX workspaces. It allows for easier code sharing and library abstraction. And this monorepo comes with applications that are included that you can easily run and test things out. You can check out my video from last week on how to set this up and how to do this. It's really simple. Now, number 2, build targeting of ES 2017 and higher. So that means we're no longer stuck on the old version of JavaScript as the target. Now we can target any higher version of JavaScript or ECMAScript standard ES 2017 plus. All right, number 3, I mentioned this before, the new native class decorator for JavaScript classes. This will inherit from native iOS and Android classes. We'll be diving more into what this decorator does and how it works in the videos to come. Number 4, there's a new iOS JavaScript runtime. Holy cow, that means that both iOS and Android now run on V8. No more JavaScript core. So no more handling inconsistencies in how these engines handle certain conditions. That's pretty big. Number 5, there's a new strongly typed NativeScript configuration module that's self-documenting, and you don't have to guess what settings are available or, more importantly, what settings change between major versions of NativeScript. So a lot of improvements in the core of how NativeScript works, and this will also improve UI frameworks that live on top of core. For example, NativeScript Angular already has the benefits. It's up to date with Angular 10 support, and NativeScript Vue and React are soon to follow with updates as well. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. A lot more to come, and a lot more on this channel covering NativeScript and what's new in NativeScript 7. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Martin Guillon was responsible for Martin Guillon